Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your boy Thatdameskid, and today we're going to be reviewing the Nike AirMax systems. So as you guys can see here, it comes in its normal AirMax regular schmegular desert box. It goes great. It's a very monotone color and it just goes great with a lot of things. But we're gonna get right into it, man. Crack that open. Now I did already pre-lace these up. I wore them a couple times. Try not to get them too dirty because I did want to bring you guys the review. But bam, there you guys go. As you guys can see, very sleek colorway, chill. You can wear these with shorts, you can wear these with sweats, you can wear these with jeans. I've worn them with literally everything I just said. Yeah guys, these are the shoes of the month for me. I've been wearing these like no other. They just go good with a lot of things. As you can see, it literally goes with the hoodie I have on right here. Very nice fall shoe. I recommend getting your hands on these. I'm a size 10.5, and when I went, they seem to have a lot of sizes, so I will go and say get your hands on these. They're not that sought after, but I haven't seen nobody wearing these. As you guys can see, it's like a nice little gloss finish. It says AirMax right there. On the tongue it says Nike, and then in the back it says Nike Air. I did the loose lace on these. I'm really digging these. I'm thinking about getting another pair in a different colorway. You guys can see these are the Nike AirMax systems, guys. But yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I would definitely try to get your hands on these before they're sold out. Like I said, these go good with shorts, sweats, jeans, literally anything that you can think of. And I'm gonna go ahead and style these for you guys, give you guys an off-feet review. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Thatdameskid. We out. Stay tuned for further videos on fashion, streetwear, shoes, anything. I do it all. Go ahead and subscribe. You can see it all, man. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next video.
It's a vibe, ho. Walk around them bills, walk around them bills, yeah, walk around them bills. Fucking with that big Cancun, hitting on it, and I know I do. Hitting on this, and I know I do. Fucking with that, and I know I do. Gucci sneaks, Prada bag, number 9, red. White gold, yeah. I fuck that bitch, you better and I forget. Diamonds on me, give her hell yeah. Money jumping out the building like a bitch. Money jumping out the building like a bitch. Money jumping out the building like a bitch. Walk around them bills, walk around them bills. Yeah, walk around them bills. Fucking with that in Cancun. Hitting on it, and I know I do. Hitting on this, and I know I do. Fucking with that, and I know I do. Gucci sneaks, Prada bag, number 9, red. Number 9, red. Number 9, red. Gucci snakes, Prada bag, number 9, red flag. I'm rockin' red. I drink red, drinking red, don't stop at red lights. Walk around them bills, walk around them bills. Yeah, walk around them bills. Fucking with that in Cancun. Hitting on it, and I know I do. Hitting on this, and I know I do. Fucking with that, and I know I do. Gucci sneaks, Prada bag.
There you guys have it. That is the entire shoe review. I know it was a kind of short video. I like to keep these videos short, sweet, simple, to the point. Give you guys a little insight on what the shoes look on feet with different types of styles. If you guys want to see more videos with different shoes, different styles, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate y'all, man. Road to 5K. It's your boy Todd, man. I'll see y'all next time. Deuces.